Okay, so using Google Sheets to organize your student data from descending from highest to lowest and color coded into the correct bands as well. Okay, um, I've arrayed, this is my class here, my sample class, and I've erased all the data now, and they are now organized alphabetically according to surname here. Okay. All I have is three test results done. Okay, here they are here. And I'm just going to quickly show you how to do a sparkline. So in this cell here, I want to go insert, function and all, sparkline. And I want my sparkline to be in this range here, of these three cells. There, do that again. These three cells, press enter. There's my sparkline. Okay, so we have 21, 35, and 19. It's just a really nice visual way to show how students are doing and how they're getting on. Okay, so 3 assessments done, and I want to weight them out differently so that my first assessment's weighted at 50, and my other 2 assessments are weighted at 25, and they all add up to 100. So this formula here will do it. Equals to open brackets, pick your cell, divided by 100, close brackets, asterisk is multiply, and 50. Press enter. Equals to open brackets, cell, / divide, 100, close brackets, asterisk, 25, enter. Equals to, we always start off with equals, brackets, SL, / 100, close brackets, asterisk, 25. Okay, so here we have our weighted results here. And in this cell here, I want to have the sum. So I'm going to highlight the tree, go over here to my functions, click on sum, or my equations. There we go. So this student here has got 24 out of 100 so far for all his weighted assessments. Now, I can now highlight these cells. These are important ones with the formula, and go to the bottom right corner and wait for my cursor to turn black, and now drag it down. And now we can see all of the grades are there for all of the students. Now, they're just all over the place at the moment because it's organized by this column here, column C, for their surname and alphabetical. But what we want to do is we want to organize all our data according to this cell here, or this column here, column G. So we're going to highlight all the cells of interest. All right, so these are all going to move around. And then we go data, because we want to move our data. Sort range, and we want to sort the range out by column G. And we want to sort it from the highest number to the lowest. And there we go. All our students are now in the order that we want them. Let's just look at that beside this CAO chart here. There we go. So we can see that we have 2 students on H1, 2 on H2, 2 on H3, H4, 1 on H5, H6, we have 3 on H7, and 2 on H8, like that. Now, how did I get the color code to work for me there? Okay, so in these cells here, I use conditional formatting, and I went format conditional formatting, and it brings up rules here. And these are all the rules that I put in to those cells, or this range of cells that I've highlighted here. Okay, so I started off on this one, 90, where I said apply to the range G3 to G18, G3 to G18. I said format the cells if they are greater than or equal to 90, and I put in 90 there. And then I changed the color here to red to suit my chart. And then I pressed done. So that meant any cells that were above 90 would be red. And then I did the same for 80 and so on all the way down. Just following the color chart and putting in the numbers. Well, that's it, and I hope you found this useful.